Hi everyone, we want to teach how to create an RJ45 connector. This is RJ45 connector. Step 1. Using a crimping tool. Trim the end of the cable you are terminating. Step 2. Using a knife. Strip off approximately 1 inch of the cable's jacket. Step 3. Separate the wire pairs and then unwind each pair. Separate and unwind the 4 twisted wire pairs from each other, so that you end up with 8 individual wires. Step 4. Holding the RJ45 connector. Holding the RJ45 connector and the plug clip side, insert the flatten. Step 5. Checking connector pin. Make sure each color goes into its appropriate channel. Step 6. Crimp RJ45 connector. Crimp the RJ45 connector by pressing the packet. Step 7. Repeat the step. Repeat all steps and wire color order on the other end of cable. Step 8. Test RJ45 connector. Make sure test the RJ45 connector before installing them. The end. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.